Hello, my name is Mark Lang, and I'm going to show you how to continue to do your joint range of motion exercises that we discussed during our session together. The things that we always want to remember in our setup is we're on our back. We have good tight abdominal muscles, or we call that core in, where we take our abdominal muscles or our belly button and push into the spine, creating pressure into our lower back and pushing the lower back into the floor. We also want to make sure that our shoulders are square and long, or are wide, and our arms are in the sprinter position, kind of at 90 degrees, and our feet are in that sprinter position where our toes are pointed up or our forefoot's pointed up. Good head position with our chin tightly tucked, slightly tucked. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start with our right arm and our left leg, and we just bring them up. We're going to go with internal rotation of the hip and external rotation at the shoulder. We're going to try to do that at the same time, and you just go out and back. Okay? We're going to try to keep your knee in one place. We're going to try to keep your shoulder or your shoulder and elbow in one place. And you're just rotating at that axis right there. So out and back. Come back to neutral. Out and back. And do that 5 to 7 slow repetitions. Really trying to hold and go further each time. Trying to push those muscles into that range of motion that we don't normally go into. Very effective and great exercise for your hips. Just the opposite of that is what you'll do is, and we'll use the other side, and you'll do these exercises on both sides, but just the opposite of that is we'll do it on the other side. We'll take the right leg and the left arm, and we'll go in, or externally rotating that, and down with that shoulder. Okay? And we'll pause at the end, try to go a little bit further each time. Again, 5 to 7 slow repetitions, keeping everything that we discussed earlier in the same place. Really trying to focus on keeping your knee and your elbow in that same location as you move. Make sure you're breathing, make sure you're coring in, and relax.